Hey everyone, it's been a while. So I'm back on N8N, and this one is the job agent. I just wanted to show you where I'm up to. So the idea was to create an AI agent that could go on LinkedIn based on whatever you filtered out, whatever type of job, location. It would get those jobs, right, and then one by one it would this is what I made, but pretty much I'll get the information, summarize it into a spreadsheet, and what that spreadsheet has is the link to it, the title, the job description, the date, location, company name, some benefits, and a cover letter. And that cover letter will be generated by AI based on your resume plus their requirements. That way you can mix and match, I did this experience wise which relates to what you guys need. So that way it saves you time from writing different cover letters for different companies that require different things. And then I also added one where it will get a document, which is the resume template, and it will rewrite the resume based on the requirements as well, whether that's just changing some orderings of what's more important. The default resume is here, so this is my CV template, so it will change this based on what the job description requires. Sometimes it might change not too much, sometimes it'll add some new stuff, change around the soft skills based on description, and then it'll create a new doc called whatever I'll just show you. Pretty much it's called Richard Fan, whatever the title of the job is, and then resume. That way I can find it easier, and then it will add everything that the AI generated by itself. I'm looking for jobs, you're tasked to customize a provided resume using provided job description, right? It will do that, and that output will be then put into a markdown, converted to HTML, and then into a new Google Doc. So I'm going to run it. Just need to show you here. This is the spreadsheet. As you see, I already ran it a few times, and here I've already ran it a few times as well, and it's working fine. As you can see, these are all different types of jobs, and they're all different types of CVs. For example, this one, right? It ends at soft skills, right? You can see that. Oh wait, this is an old one because there was a bug in it. But let's say this one's relatively newer, right? Enough of that, and then similar, right? Soft skills, and then you can go to something else like let's try this, and then you can see the soft skills are changed, right? It'll get rid of some, it'll add new ones, or like this one, and you can see it'll add something else, relevant experience and skills, because maybe it has some requirements that match with mine, so then it'll generate some sort of text that shows that I'm fit. As you can see, this one wasn't on the other one because maybe they didn't require that, but yeah, so it will just tailor my resume to what they need. So I'm going to run it for a little bit, and then I'll show you the result. Okay, so it's just finished 10, so I'm going to stop it here, and we'll take a look at what it's done. So we should have 10, or rather 11 here. Yep, 11, because the first one is the categories. So as you can see here, we have the title, the job description summarized, we got the link to apply, and we got where it is at, Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, the name, even though it's pretty much the name, some benefits, or some more details like 12-month contract, and then cover letter. And you can see here it's got my details, a hiring manager, and then it'll give some details like during my internship I built this and that, which really aligns with what you want, and they're usually somewhat similar, but at the same time obviously not. You can compare it right here. And so after this, after this is generated, right? After the cover letter is generated, we'll move on to customizing the resume. As you can see here, there's a template, so I should have 10 new ones, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the latest one, right? Looks like this. And if you come here, that should be the latest one. It's called 0, right? 0 flux hiring, right? And Australia. Right, and this one has an easy apply, so I think I'll use so my goal right now, as you can see, we've got the cover letter here, the generated one, and we've got the generated CV. So my goal right now is, after that's done, I need to find a way to save this file, the resume, and save this somewhere as well, like copy and paste into somewhere, maybe a doc as well, the CV, the cover letter. And then when this goes to easy apply, I need to upload the resume of the relevant ones and then apply. So that's with easy apply. I'm not sure exactly how hard it'll be if it's not easy apply, because then you have to go to the website. And even just easy apply is kind of hard to do, because I've got to think of a way to for an AI to not access. It doesn't have to access my files, but there's a way to do it with, I think, Google Drive. If I just go back, but then again, it might not, because if I press upload, it just automatically opens my files. So I'm not sure how it's possible, but some ideas, when you're stuck, you ask ChatGPT, right? And there are some ideas, such as using something called like apparently it can control your browser, similar to what I showed off at browser use, but hopefully I can make it like say, hey, I want you to access this doc, the relevant doc, 0 flux, save it for yourself, I guess, and then go to the sheet and then just copy and paste this text into another doc and save it as the cover letter, and then put those two together and apply. So I guess that's the next step that I'm trying to figure out. But so far, this first step is finished, where it can find jobs for you and make it easier for you to save you time adjusting the resume and cover letter. So the next part will be just finding a way to putting it all together and then actually applying or sending it off. I saw online that some people just simply send an email to the hiring manager with this information. I could go that route, but I think that'll be a last resort, because I know that ideally you would apply on LinkedIn where they ask for you, right? But yeah, I'll figure the rest out. I'll try my best, and hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys next time.